mispronounce it while reading it. So names. Did I do a good job, KR?
This is this guy just drove me crazy under the bus. What's
Did
wrong
I
with
do?
you, man?
Did I
I'm
do a
trying
good
to
job? I got your
now
back,
here.
boy.
Next topic of the day is the city girl mayor. On Monday, we talked about the city boy mayor, Eric Adams. Today, we're going to talk about Tiffany Henyard because there is another struggle for power down in the I think it's Dalton right now, right? This is Dalton. Yeah. It's a Dalton situation. It's not a township. RJ, because there's also troubles at the township. It's all over the place. Now the walls are clearly closing in.
Yeah. The township is sinking. Pun intended. Guys, before we proceed with the topic, remember to rate the show by pressing the like button. Don't forget to check us out on our other socials. And subscribe and hit the notification icon so you stay up to date when we drop new videos. And guys, don't forget to comment as well, because the best comment will be highlighted in next week's show. KR.
Yes. Let's open it up right away. Let's see what they have to say. Fair use. Fair use.
Was not at work today. As for that court order, this is a major win for those trustees who have been up against Henyard for some time. A judge yesterday siding with 4 trustees by ruling that Henyard did not have the legal authority to make 3 recent appointments: a new police chief, village attorney, and village administrator, all of them given jobs by Henyard earlier this month. Trustees argue that she did so without their consent or approval, and that she did not have a quorum to start the meeting in the first place. The trustees' motion for a temporary restraining order also alleges bullying, retaliation, and violating the Open Meetings Act. Yesterday, Cook County Judge Thaddeus Wilson agreed.
The board has been absolutely fantastic in trying to keep the government operating. The people suffer, the employees suffer, while her reign of terror continues.
It's not a good feeling working in a hostile work environment. It's not a good feeling at all. And that verdict yesterday brings hope to the employees that now we can get back to doing things the correct way, decent and in order. I'm happy, and also I got calls from the residents, and they are happy as well.
Meanwhile, Mayor Henyard's personal attorney, Bo Brinley, is also responding this afternoon, saying in part, Mayor Henyard will appeal and the truth will come out, a truth that reveals a corrupt board of trustees trying to hijack the mayor's office through false statements and outright criminal conduct. Now, right now...
Oh, by the way, I'm back.
Did you see how Henyard walked in? If you go back to the video, like how she walked in.
Give me a second. Let me.
Now, no one is sitting in the
How
role
did she
of Dalton
walk in?
Police.
Yeah, just go to the where you had it.
This one?
Right there. Like, yeah, just see how she's walking.
Like the boss she is. Boss
a
lady,
boss.
man. Like a boss.
Just
Look at
make-
it.
Approval,
Go a little bit
and
back.
that she did not
Look at
have
her.
a quorum to start the meeting in the
Go
first
back,
place,
go back. Look at
and that she did not
Boss
have a
lady,
quorum
man.
to start
It's
arguing
my
that she did
house.
so without their
My
consent
house
or
up in here.
approval, and that she
Walking
did not
with a
have a
limp.
quorum to start the meeting in the first place.
She's walking with
Walking
him
with a limp.
with the swagger. With the real swagger. Hey,
Of
man.
broken heels. In any case.
Yeah, man. The battle is going on. They're still battling. I mean, clearly the walls are closing because right now the trustees have been gaining some, I would say, momentum right now. They are obviously getting some momentum and winning, blocking her, expanding, using the credit cards. I mean, the investigation by Beetlejuice Forgot her name.
Lori
what's her
Lightfoot.
name? Lori Lightfoot. I'm just sorry, guys. I can't. I was trying to come up with the name real quick, but I couldn't catch it. The only thing left was my nickname. RJ, tell him. Am I good with names? I'm never good with names. I always remember nicknames, right?
You're when people say they're not good with names, guys, when people say they're not good with names, it means they forgot a name. KR is so bad with names, you will mispronounce it while reading it. So names. Did I do a good job, KR?
This guy just threw me crazy under the bus. What's wrong with you, man?
Did I do a good job? I got your back, boy. Got your
I
back.
got your back. Might as well. You got my back like the like how they anyway. Let me not go there. Shout out to Dolph, man. His own people mowing him down. But anyway,
Be your own people.
it be your own people, man. But hey, but yeah, Lori Lightfoot, all these things. I mean, they are gaining momentum, and I hope they can keep this momentum up to next year during the election of the new mayor, because they'll need to do this. I mean, obviously she has a following. There are still people who believe in her. The fact that the lawyer is writing such a crazy statement, I don't know, man. This is I hope it's a good thing that they blocked this. They're gonna fight it, so we'll hear the truth in a couple of weeks, I guess. What the truth is, who knows what the truth is? She's been calling, saying it's the truth. They're trying to attack a black woman and all these crazy things, and I still haven't seen any concrete evidence showing that she is being set up.
And all the trustees, if not so, almost all the trustees, if not all the trustees, are black.
Yeah.
And her defense is, you're attacking a black woman. That's crazy.
You know what's crazy, RJ? She's pointing out, saying the trustees are corrupt. Just because, let's say, if the trustees are corrupt, doesn't make you less corrupt. That's what are we doing?
Yeah, you're right.
She's pointing at them like they are corrupt. Okay, if they are, okay, it is. It doesn't make you less corrupt. You're worse because you're the head of the snake.
And you're the one. The trustees are not the one with a credit card that's running up the bill in Las Vegas. That's flying private. That's you.
Doing?
So if they are corrupt, as you said, they're not in the position to commit the corrupt act, but you are, and you are.
You are the one. I hope. Oh man, we might go live when the police come with the handcuffs. We might go live that day, just in honor of the people who live in Dalton, because this is crazy. The fact she thinks she can appoint people without even getting approval from the Dalton trustees is crazy already. She really thinks she's the dictator of the city.
Yeah.
You have to be. She really thinks she's above the law. Maybe we should call her the Diddy of Dalton.
No, that's something else. No, you can... Sorry. KR, I mean, I know.
The Diddy of Dalton.
No, we can't call her that. No, she ain't that. She's more like the Ponzi of Dalton, but not the Diddy. You can't call her the Diddy, no.
Anyway, anything else to say about this one?
Squeesha of Dalton.
shout out to Thaddeus for the ruling, though. I think it's a very important thing. He was able to turn this back, because I mean, you gotta stop bullies in their tracks. A lesson for everyone: teach your kids to stop the bullies in their tracks, because otherwise it's gonna turn left. If the kid is being traumatized for the rest of the life, or they'll become a shell of themselves, or it can turn into something else. I'm not gonna go that route, but sometimes you gotta stop the bully, and Thaddeus Wilson helped them to stop the bully. Guys, if you think it's a good thing, this ruling will improve the situation in Dalton, let us know in the comments. Do you believe this is in the best interest of Miss Tiffany Henyard or the trustees? Do you think the court made the right decision? Or is it just a political maneuver? Let us know in the comments.